Thank you for all 1,017 of you and counting for subscribing. It really means a lot. And this video will have trick shots, some world records, and some challenges. So I'm very excited. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get on to it. Okay, so we're going to attempt the longest bottle flip. There isn't a record yet, which is why I kind of want to be the first one to hold the record, knowing that one of you guys in the comments are going to beat me. But I'm going to be pretty proud of any distance I get. I just want it to be over 15 feet, which I'm pretty sure we will get. And wish me luck. Unfortunately, I don't break my promises, so here's 1,000 dabs, unfortunately, because that's what you guys wanted. One thousand dabs. There you go. I'm never doing that again. My arms are sore. Thank you so much for 1,000 subscribers. I cannot thank you enough. This is probably going to be one of my most important milestones ever. Even if I do hit 1 million someday, I doubt it. But if I do, this will still probably be one of my biggest accomplishments. Thank you so much, and I cannot wait to keep on making more videos. Signing off for now. See you in the next video.